Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak like a steakhouse. First, select a quality steak, at least 1.5 inches thick. Allow it to sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes. This helps it cook more evenly. Then, pat the entire surface of the steak completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step ensures you achieve that beautiful, deep brown crust we all love. Next, season your steak generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper on every side. Don't be shy. Now, heat a cast iron skillet over high heat until it's smoking hot. Add a tablespoon of high smoke point oil. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan and sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side. This creates that incredible, flavorful crust. After searing, transfer your steak to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook until it reaches your desired internal temperature, usually 5 to 8 minutes for medium rare. Use a meat thermometer for accuracy. Once cooked, remove the steak and let it rest on a cutting board for at least 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender, flavorful bite. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked steak against the grain into half-inch thick pieces. This technique breaks up the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender. Arrange the slices beautifully on a plate. Serve immediately with your favorite steakhouse-style accompaniments, like creamed spinach or roasted potatoes. Now, you can enjoy a truly restaurant-quality steak experience right in your own home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.